Thank you for visiting Content Marketing Live, and today we're going to be taking a look at content marketing for nonprofits. When learning about this subject, the first question you might have is why is content marketing important for nonprofits? Great question. Content marketing helps nonprofits in four ways: increases brand awareness, helps them gain more traffic, attract more investors, and potentially obtain more donations. So the first tip is to know who you are targeting. One of the most important factors for any nonprofit is having donors. So as you create your plan, take notes and look at your current fans and followers, and that can help you pin down your target audience. Another tip is to create a great call to action, the CTA. It's good to give every piece of content you create a goal, and the call to action or CTA is what you want that goal to be. I'd recommend keeping it about 1 to 4 words. Shorter is better with those. The next tip is to build a social media presence. We all know social media is everywhere. So make sure your nonprofit has accounts on all of the major social platforms and make sure to post regularly. The next tip is to share, share, and share. In the last point, we talked about how important social media is, and those are great. When you're creating content, also keep the social media platforms, email newsletters, things like that in mind to distribute your content. The next tip is to tell your story. You might be stumped for content ideas, and that's fine. Why not use this time to tell the story behind your nonprofit? The challenges, the wins, the losses. It's a great way to humanize your organization. If you'd like more content marketing tips, be sure to visit contentmarketinglife.com, and thank you so much for watching.